my name is Snaikato, and today we are going to learn about indefinite loops. Loops are great for tasks that repeat over and over. When using loops, you have to remember that the conditions have to be either true or false in order for it to work properly. It continues until a logical condition returns a false. For example, we have a task where we have to create a while loop that will tell you how many tacos you need to eat in order to be satisfied, depending on your hunger level. And remember that eating one taco lowers one level of hunger. We start by creating a variable named hunger level that will take values that range from 0 to 4. And they will represent different levels of hunger, 0 being satisfied and 4 starving. While loops work similar to if statements. We have to create a condition that can turn into true or false, with the difference that it continues executing your code depending on the condition that you give to it. Let's start it with the condition, is hunger level bigger than 0? If true, we eat one taco. And since we are creating a loop, we will tell Python to continue eating one taco at a time until we feel satisfied, meaning that our hunger level reaches 0. Once our hunger level reaches 0, the condition hunger level bigger than 0 is not true anymore. So we tell Python to stop the loop and print satisfied instead. To transform this idea into code, we start by giving an initial value to our variable hunger level. In this example, we are starving. That is the reason why we set the value to 4. Then, we create our while loop followed by our condition. While hunger level is bigger than 0, print that you want to eat 4 tacos. And remember that you have to eat 4 tacos in total to be satisfied because your hunger level is 4. But you can only eat one taco at a time. So we also include print 1 taco. If we decide to end the while loop there and just add the option satisfied when the condition is not met, we will get into an infinite loop and we'll end up exploding from eating just way too many tacos. The condition hunger level bigger than 0 will always stay true because we did not include an iteration variable. That is the reason why it is so important to have an iteration variable, something that changes and will prevent our loop to run forever. In this case, our iteration variable will tell the loop to subtract one hunger level each time we eat a taco. And at some point, we will reach the level 0 and will feel satisfied. And also, I have a small tip for you that will make your code look cleaner. When we're assigning a new value to our variable, for example, hunger level -1 to our original value, it is the exact same as saying hunger level minus equals 1. And so it works with plus equals. The improved code will look like this, with our iteration variable being hunger level minus equals 1. After running this program, we get this result, with one taco at a time until we feel satisfied. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, do not forget to press the like button and share it with your friends. See you in the next video where we will learn more about loops.